In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook cover for your Facebook page. But before we get started on this channel, I make short, concise YouTube videos that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly and easily and without any fluff. So if you could take a moment to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, it would really help me out. And with that said, let's get started. So we're going to go over to the free website canva.com, and the first thing we're going to do is create a free account, and then we're going to type in Facebook cover, and we're going to come down here to this one here which says Facebook cover, and this is going to load up the different templates for the Facebook covers that we have. So let's go and use this one here, and we'll just let this load up. So let's go to customize this design. So whatever your Facebook is about, you can create one specific to that niche. But for the sake of this video, this is the one that I'm going to use. So we can change this to, let's say, Fergal's affiliate agency. And you can change the contact number, you can change all this stuff here, and then if you want to change this, you just and put a picture of yourself in here, you click on this and go to delete, and then you just upload from the left hand column over here. You would upload a picture of yourself or your logo, whatever it is, and you can just drag that in. When you've finished dragging and dropping your Facebook cover, you go up to the top right hand corner of the screen, you're going to click on share. From here you click on download, and then you just download that. So there's tons and tons of templates that you can choose from. If you just go back here, you can see all the different types of templates in various different niches as well. Let's say you want to do it in a pet niche, you would just type in to the search box pets, and you can go, that's the different themes are here as well, but you would go Facebook cover pets up here into the search box, and it would give you everything that you need there. Now here's a little quick tip about how to make money with this. If you want to go over to Fiverr.com, and if you just type in Facebook cover in here, you're going to see there's a ton of people selling these, and this person here has over 1,000 5-star reviews, so that means they've probably sold like 5 or 10,000 of these offers, and they've made a ton of money with this. So you can mimic their design for their gigs, and you can offer this for sale, and then when you get a sale, you can just go over to Canva and create the cover, the Facebook cover for them on Canva. So that's how you can actually make money with this. It's how you can do it for free for yourself, and then how you can make money with it later on Fiverr. So that's it for the video. That's it for this video, guys. If you want to go below this video and really help me out, that would be by hitting the subscribe button, and you will have my eternal gratitude if you do that. So thanks very much, guys, for watching this video, and all the best.